Hello students, since our subject is digital logic and computer architecture, before continuing with our actual syllabus, let us see the difference between analog and digital with respect to certain aspects. So first aspect is the signal. Now analog is continuous in nature and mostly shown in the sine waveform, whereas digital, as the name is suggesting, that it is concerned with digits. That does mean definite or finite range of values, uh, or discrete range of values which can be shown with the discrete waveform. Second aspect of differentiation is the represented data. So continuous range of values are represented with analog signal, whereas as we have seen earlier, the discrete range of values are represented with digital signal. Third one is the example of analog signal and digital signal. So human speech or voice signal is the example of analog signal, whereas A to D, that is analog to digital converter, is used to have equivalent digital signal. Next one is the noise immunity. So noise immunity is the one which informs about how strong the signal is against noise. Analog signal is analog signal is having less noise immunity as compared to the digital signal. Next one comes the power. So power which is drawn by the analog signal during transmission is more as compared to the digital signal. Next is recovery. As analog signal is not so good compared to digital signal with respect to the noise immunity, as well as the continuous nature of analog signal also makes it difficult to recover the data. Whereas in case of digital signal, let for sake of understanding, if we consider that 5 voltage is representing 1 and 0 voltage is representing 0 in digital signal, then simply digital signal is consisting of information in 0 and 1 combination. So it becomes easier to recover the signal as compared to the analog one. Then last aspect of differentiation is the example of analog and digital devices. So fan, analog watch, these are the examples of analog devices, whereas digital watch, smartphone, computer, these are the example of digital devices. Now very famous example of analog signal is the traditional thermometer. So this thermometers mercury level tells the how much fever is, whereas with digital the number directly comes on the screen which informs about the fever level. So analog is more accurate than digital system. So from the example of traditional thermometer it becomes clear, since with rounding off digital signal loses the precision or accuracy. So in spite of many advantages this digital signal has got over analog, for scientific research related to sensitive areas such as military or aerospace, still analog signal is preferred. Now in next video we'll see the topic from the actual syllabus. Thank you.